Little Early English Education.
Hello, super artists! Are you ready for some drawing fun today? We're going to draw our happy block friend, step by step. So grab your pencil and let's get started. First, we need to draw the big shape of our block friend. This is like making the outside of its body. Super friendly. Perfect. Now, just below the eye, let's draw a small happy smile. Draw a big round eye in the center. Nice and big so it looks super friendly. Each side of the square, draw a small rectangle for the arm. Next, draw a line straight down the middle from the top of the square to the bottom. This will help us divide it into smaller parts. Awesome! Now we have two halves, left and right. Let's draw vertical lines from top to bottom across the square, just like tiny fence posts. We'll start on the left and go all the way to the right. Keep going! One line after another. You're doing great. Two tiny feet, just small blocks poking out. Fantastic! You did it! Our happy block friend is complete. Doesn't it look amazing? We started with a simple shape, and now it's a character full of...
See how our friend is just an outline right now? It's like a special drawing with all sorts of bright and happy colors. It has so many little squares just waiting to be filled in. First, let's look at its big, friendly eye and its happy smile. We're going to start coloring right there. It's so exciting to see how our friend will look with all these wonderful colors. There we go! A bright, shiny black eye. Now, let's pick a fun color for the outline of the eye and its happy smile. Let's use a nice, bright pink for that. Wow, it's already looking so friendly. Our block friend is smiling big just for you. Our first big color for the squares will be red. Can you find the red color on your screen? Great! Let's color in the first row of squares with red. Now, let's start filling in the squares on our block friend. We're going to go color by color, like building a rainbow. Perfect red! Red like a juicy apple, or a big happy heart. Next up, let's grab the orange color. Orange like a yummy carrot, or a bright orange sunset. Let's fill in the second row of squares with orange. Fantastic orange! You're doing an amazing job. Now, let's find the cheerful yellow. Yellow like the warm sun or a bouncy rubber ducky. Let's color the third row with yellow. Brilliant yellow! It's shining so bright. That we see 3 little green trees swaying happy as can be. 1, 4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow. 5 busy little brown bees buzzing around the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what a happy breeze. Time for lovely green. Green like fresh grass or a tall tree. Let's color the fourth row with green. Wonderful green! You're making a fantastic rainbow. Now, let's find the beautiful blue. Blue like the sky on a sunny day or the deep ocean. Let's color the 5th row with blue. Looking good, blue. It's starting to look so cool and colorful. And for our very last row of squares, let's use a lovely purple. Purple like a royal cape or a yummy grape. Let's make the 6th row purple. Wonderful, purple! You're creating a masterpiece! Amazing! Our block friend's body is almost complete. Now for the last special touch. Let's give our friend a lovely light golden color for its arms, feet. This color will make it shine like sunshine. Ta-da! Look at our block friend now. So colorful and happy. You used so many wonderful colors and made our friend look absolutely brilliant. You're all incredible artists. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep coloring your world with joy. See you next time for more fun and colorful adventures.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.